Hello guys, what's up? Today I'm gonna show you how to use your phone as microphone for PC. Now let's start with introduction. Why you need to use your phone as microphone? Actually it depends on your situation. Suppose you are in a place where you have PC but there's no microphone, or you have microphone but the quality is very poor like me. So you may need to use your phone as microphone, and that's why you are here, right? So without wasting time, let's jump on the desktop. So now you can see this is my desktop. So the first thing you have to do is open any browser like Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge and search for mic, and then click on the first link shown here, mic free microphone. Scroll down and click here my client for Windows if you're using Windows. Actually this app is available for all kinds of OS like Windows or Mac or Ubuntu, etc. I have already downloaded it, so I won't download it again, so I'm going to canceling it. But if you click on the save, the download will be start. The process of downloading will be started. So later you go to your phone's Play Store or App Store. Actually I'm using iPhone, so I'm going to App Store and search for the same app named mic. I'm using I've already said it, I'm using iPhone, so I'm going to App Store. Let me show my phone screen here. Okay, now you can see my screen. This app is available for both iOS and Android. Actually this is my one of the favorite app. So click on the download if you haven't downloaded yet. So click on the download app, but remember one thing, both devices must be connected with same Wi-Fi. Now click on the download, click on the open, and later on your PC. Now later on your PC, open the mic client app. Now the main thing starts. Now click on the connection and click on the connect, and now check this phone IP address. I click on the start. Now check the Wi-Fi address, phone IP address, and both phones and PC's IP address are same. Then click connect in both device and you are done. Click on the connected. Now you can see you can play in speaker. Hello 1 2. Yes, it's working. Or you can record it clicking you sound recorder. You can make sure that it's working. I'm disconnecting it. It's done. Click on the stop, go back. We're done. So if you like my video, please give a thumbs up. It motivates me. And if you don't like it, give an unlike. Please don't forget to subscribe this video. Sorry, what I'm saying, man. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel and stay connected with us by giving a like on our Facebook page, and share this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me. Thanks for watching. Bye and Eid Mubarak.